Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, my dear subscribers. Today I'm going to show you the beaches of the Bahia Principe resort complex in beautiful Mexico. If you are planning to stay at Bahia Principe Grand Tulum, Bahia Principe Grand Coba, Bahia Principe Luxury Akumal or Bahia Principe Luxury Sian Ka'an, this video is for you. We will walk along the entire coastline, explore the different beach sections, compare them and help you see what you can really expect before your vacation. Every part of the beach has its own character. Some areas are perfect for swimming, others are great for snorkeling, relaxing or simply enjoying the incredible Caribbean views. So, let's get started and explore the beaches together. We are starting with the beach located right on the central part of Bahia Principe Grand Tulum. One of the great things about Grand Tulum is that the resort is sits directly on the beachfront, so getting to the sea is quick and easy. This is a really nice beach for swimming and relaxing. There are bayous marking the safe swimming area, making it comfortable for families and anyone who just wants to enjoy the calm Caribbean water. Another big advantage is the location. Right behind the beach you will find the main family pool and the kids water park, so everything is just a short walk away. You can spend some time in the sea, head back to the pool or let the kids enjoy the water park without having to walk across the entire resort. Overall, this is a very convenient and family-friendly section of the beach. It combines easy beach access, beautiful Caribbean views and quick access to the resort's main facilities, making it a great place to spend the day. Now we have arrived at the pier located right in front of the lobby at Bahia Principe Luxury Akumal. This is one of the best spots in the entire resort complex if you enjoy snorkeling. The water here is usually very clear, making it easy to see colorful tropical fish and explore the underwater world just a short distance from the shore. The pier itself is also a great place to stop for a few minutes, enjoy the sea views and take some beautiful photos of the Caribbean coastline. As we continue walking along the beach, it's already getting close to sunset. The atmosphere becomes even more relaxing. You will see families taking a walk along the shoreline, children building sand castles and guests simply enjoying the warm evening by the sea. There are plenty of loungers, so finding a place to relax is usually not a problem. As you keep walking further along the coastline, the beach gradually changes. It becomes more rocky with fewer places for swimming, but it's still a wonderful area to relax. This section is perfect if you want to slow down, listen to the sound of the waves, enjoy the sea breeze and simply take in the peaceful Caribbean scenery. Sometimes the best part isn't swimming, it's just sitting back, watching the sea and enjoying the incredible views. As we continue our walk along the coastline, we are now heading from luxury Akumal back toward Grand Tulum. The evening lights makes everything look even more beautiful and it's the perfect time to enjoy the Caribbean views. While we are walking, I'd like to mention something that many guests ask about. Bahia Principe Grand Coba and Bahia Principe Luxury Sian Ka'an are not located directly on the beach. They are set a little further inland, behind Grand Tulum and luxury Akumal. But that's not really a problem. The resort provides golf carts that continuously transport guests from Coba and Sian Ka'an to the beach. The ride only takes about 5 minutes, so getting here is quick and very convenient. The best part is that once you arrive, you are free to explore the entire coastline and choose the beach section you like the most. Some areas are great for swimming, others are perfect for snorkeling, while some area ideal if you simply want to relax and listen to the waves. And we are not finished yet. In just a moment I'll show you another beautiful beach section at Grand Tulum, which has its own unique atmosphere and is definitely worth seeing. And finally, we have reached another beach at Bahia Principe Grand Tulum. This one is located at the far end of the resort and was actually the first beach we showed at the beginning of this video. This beach is wide, sandy and much more open to the Caribbean Sea. Because it's more exposed, you will usually find bigger waves, making it a perfect spot for guests who enjoy a little more action in the water. If you love jumping through the waves, floating with the sea, and feeling the power of the Caribbean Sea, you will probably love this part of the beach. The soft sand, the open coastline, the fresh sea breeze, and the sound of the waves create an amazing atmosphere. It's one of those places where you can spend hours swimming, walking along the shore, or simply enjoying the incredible view. For us, this was one of the most exciting beach sections in the entire Bahia Principe complex. Playing in the waves was so much fun, and it's one of those vacation memories you won't forget. If you're looking for a beach with a little more energy and true Caribbean feel, this is definitely the place to be. As we reach the end of our beach tour, we are standing near the coastline between Bahia Principe Grand Tulum and the neighboring Sunscape Resort. Further down the shore, the coastline becomes more rocky, creating another beautiful side of the Riviera Maya that is perfect for enjoying the scenery and listening to the waves. After exploring the entire coastline, I can honestly say that this resort complex offers an amazing variety of beaches. Every section has its own unique character. Some beaches are perfect for families with calm water, some are great for snorkeling and discovering colorful fish, while others have bigger waves if you enjoy a little more excitement in the sea. It doesn't matter whether you're staying at Bahia Principe Grand Tulum, Grand Coba, luxury Akumal or luxury Sian Ka'an. Thanks to the resort transportation and the connected coastline, you can easily explore all of these beautiful beach areas and choose the one that matches your vacation style. I hope this beach tour helped you see what you can really expect before your trip and made it a little easy to choose the perfect spot for your next Caribbean vacation. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear which beach was your favorite. See you in the next resort review. Take care and happy travels!